Hey guys! So, I am really due for a cut. My hair has grown so much. The last time I trimmed my hair was in April. It was with my friend's mom, Martina. She has, God has blessed her hands. She gave me a beautiful cut. I had volume, but my hair has grown so much. And I feel like I still have some dead strands up in here somewhere. Fortunately, I do not have the funds in my budget to get a Rëzo cut, which I really want to do with Nubia, recommended by my friend Angeli. Hi Angeli. We're gonna do it ourselves. I'm gonna call it the Aybar Cut. Please do not cut your own hair if you do not have the confidence within yourself. You have done research and you're 100% positive that you're not gonna get mad at yourself after for having done it if your results aren't what you wanted. If that is the case, then I suggest you go to a specialist or a professional. Let's get started. Hey guys, so I've washed my hair already. I conditioned it with this conditioner, it's coconut cream by Pure. I love this brand, it's like my go-to brand, seriously. And I'm using this Pure leave-in conditioner, this coconut whipped cream, to part my hair and to cut it and give it some moisture so that I stay consistent and in shape. I'm gonna continue to add them as I go through the layers. I'm gonna do 4 layers, maybe 5, I'm not sure. Fun fact, all of my hair products, a lot of my skincare products too, they all have coconut as an ingredient or as the main ingredient. My hair easily gets dry, so I have to keep it moisturized and hydrated, so I'm always looking for coconut products. And Pure has an amazing coconut collection. I'm not the type to go out and buy different brands. I like to finish my products. So I wait until the bottle is actually done before I make another purchase. Gotta spend wisely. Okay, so I'm gonna cut off 2 fingers. That's literally this much. I should make sure that it is lined up and I don't have to how I do. Just to make sure it's even, but there isn't. If you see, I'm just gonna cut that little bit off this one. Alright, we haven't lost a lot. This is my security right here. Alright, so now I'm gonna part my hair starting from the bottom of my hair right here. I'm gonna start right here. We are going to cut off the 2nd layer. And again, 2 fingers. Okay, so maybe we're gonna do just 2 layers. I'm gonna do right here, above my ears, and then my bangs. Alright guys, so I combed out my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and use my last little bit of cocoa anise and leave it on for 10 minutes, wash my hair, style it, and then let's see our results. I want to show you guys how beautifully shaped the cut came out. And you can see it shapes into a U. That's how you should know that you have good layers. Your hair lines up as a U. It should be like a little uniform there. You see it? That's how I know I did a great job.